Whether or not you agree with President Trump's view that the international rules-based system is not working, there is no disputing that the international rules-based order is under its greatest period of stress since the end of World War II. The disruption we currently face is driven by a range of structural factors ranging from the economic and social inequality of which Thomas Piketty has written, refugee flows resulting from civil war and societal breakdown, consequent ethnic tensions in neighbouring nations, the reappearance of nationalism and racism, and the alarming re-emergence of national politics driven by ideology rather than good policy. China's Belt and Road Initiative, however, is a game changer. It employs economic power as an expression of strategic power, linking a community of nations both as contributors to and beneficiaries of China's remarkable growth. And that is the strategic force of the BRI. It is a radically different approach to the assertion of power. We think our best response to the BRI is to encourage China and its partners to align the standards and processes of the various projects under the initiative with the rules and norms of our existing international institutions. There's enormous benefit in all of us talking with China, Japan, Russia and the US rather than simply talking about them. And that is what ASEAN provides, a neutral but engaged forum for ventilating concerns and hopes about peace and prosperity in the region. A focus on the ebb and flow of tensions between them encourages a transactional approach to foreign policy. Simply reacting to surprises consumes all the energy that might otherwise go into crafting a transformational foreign policy that focuses on creating and taking advantage of opportunities. To achieve peace and prosperity in a time of disruption, we need to accept disruption for what it offers, not for what it threatens.